In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see your Instagram password. Whether you need to recover your Instagram account, log in on a new device, or verify your identity, knowing your password is essential. It ensures you can access your account securely, update your credentials when necessary, and protect your account from unauthorized access. The easiest way to see your Instagram password is by simply heading to your Passwords application on your iPhone. In the search bar, search for Instagram. You want to head to your account and simply tap on Password to see it. You can also tap here to copy your password to clipboard. For those using Android or don't have the Passwords application, you want to open up your Instagram. Tap right here to head to Settings. Select Account Center. Head to Password and Security. Now head to Saved Login. Make sure to turn on this option. Once done, get back to your account center. Head to Password and Security. Tap on Change Password. Select your account. Now on Current Password, select your email address and then tap right here to see your account password. Well, that's how easy it is to see your Instagram account password. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.